What if I told you that $100 from every paycheck could make you a millionaire? Not $1,000, not half your salary, just $100, the price of a few takeout meals. Most people waste this amount without thinking twice, but the people who automate this one simple habit, they retire decades earlier than everyone else. In the next 3 minutes, I'm going to show you the exact $100 rule, the math that makes it work, and how to set it up in less than 10 minutes. This is the easiest wealth building strategy you'll ever learn. Let's get into it. Before going further, I want to tell you that I recently made a short for that particular video, but no one commented. But still, I'm making this video because I care about you. Here's the rule in its simplest form. Every single time you get paid, $100 disappears into investments before you can touch it. Not after you pay bills, not after you buy groceries. First, automatically, gone. This is called paying yourself first, and it's how every wealthy person thinks about money. But most people do it backwards. They pay their landlord first, their car payment first, Netflix first. Then they save whatever's left over. Spoiler alert, there's never anything left over. The $100 rule flips this. You treat that $100 like a bill you can't skip, like rent, like your phone. It's not optional, it's automatic. Here's why $100 is the magic number. It's small enough that you won't feel it missing from your paycheck, but large enough to build serious wealth over time. It's the sweet spot between painless and powerful. If you get paid twice a month, that's $200 a month using the $100 rule. You invest it in a simple S&P 500 index fund that historically returns about 10% per year. After 1 year, you've invested $2,400. With returns, you have about $2,520. Not life-changing yet. After 5 years, you've invested $12,000 of your own money. Your account has grown to about $15,500. You've made $3,500 in returns. That's free money. You did nothing. The market did the work. After 10 years, you've invested $24,000. Your account is now worth about $41,000. You've doubled your money through compound interest. That $100 per paycheck is now a down payment on a house. After 30 years, this is where your mind gets blown. You've invested $72,000 total over 3 decades. Your account is now worth over $452,000. You're nearly half a millionaire from $100 per paycheck. And if you get weekly paychecks, double all those numbers. You'd hit over $900,000 in 30 years. Let me put this in perspective. $100 from your paycheck is money you probably waste anyway. 3 times eating out, 1 night at the bar, a couple of impulse Amazon purchases, you wouldn't even notice it missing. But over 30 years, that invisible $100 becomes $500,000. That's the power of consistency and compound interest working together. Okay, so how do you actually do this? It takes less than 10 minutes to set up, and then it runs on autopilot forever. Step 1. Open an investment account. Use apps like Fidelity, Vanguard, or Charles Schwab. They're free, no fees, no minimums. Download the app, verify your identity, and you're done in 5 minutes. Step 2. Choose your investment. Keep it simple. Invest in an S&P 500 index fund. The ticker symbol is usually something like VOO or SPY. This gives you a piece of the 500 biggest companies in America. Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, all of them. One investment, instant diversification. Don't try to pick individual stocks. Don't try to time the market. Just buy the index fund and forget about it. Warren Buffett himself recommends this for most people, and he's worth over $100 billion. Step 3. Automate everything. This is the most important step. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your investment account. If you get paid on the 1st and 15th, schedule transfers on the 2nd and 16th, $100 each time. Make it automatic so you can't talk yourself out of it. Remove willpower from the equation. You'll never see the money, so you'll never miss it. Step 4. Never touch it.
This money doesn't exist anymore. It's gone. Don't check it every day. Don't panic when the market drops. Don't sell when things get scary. Just let it grow for decades. The people who get rich from investing aren't the ones who are smart. They're the ones who do nothing. They buy and hold. That's it. Boring wins. Here's what nobody tells you about the $100 rule. It's not really about the money. It's about the identity shift. When you start paying yourself first, you stop being someone who spends everything they make. You become an investor, someone who builds wealth, someone who thinks long-term. And once that identity shifts, everything changes. You start looking for ways to increase that $100 to $200, then $500. The habit compounds just like the interest. The hardest part is starting, but $100? Anyone can start with $100. You don't need to be rich. You don't need to understand complex finance. You just need to automate $100 per paycheck and let time do the rest. 30 years from now, you'll either be wishing you started today, or you'll be thanking yourself that you did. The choice is yours. If this opened your eyes to how simple wealth building can be, smash that like button and subscribe for more financial truth. Comment below, are you starting the $100 rule today? What's stopping you? Let's build wealth together. See you in the next one.